This ain't melee. This ain't melee.
That shouldn't be able to happen.
This ain't melee.
You're not gonna kick me out, are you?
Nah, this ain't melee though.
I gotta call rematch. Come on.
Yeah, Dad. I mean, this ain't melee, son. Damn. So, yo, if this is recording, that wasn't melee. I'm pretty sure it's not going up, but this ain't melee.
Well, it's going up. There's no reason for it not to, unfortunately. Yeah, I put up vids where I get owned. Put up quite a few of those, unfortunately.
I know some people on YouTube accounts, terrorists, don't like to put up videos.
You won with me on some of those videos.
Okay, you put up 6 videos. I know my Kirby Breacher or what you call him a couple of times. None of my Kirby wins got up. Only my Fox wins. And that's only because you never beat my Fox.
What the? There is one Kirby thing up, and the other Kirby one we were doing earlier. We didn't record.
There's one, yeah, I remember.
Nah,
but yo, you remember that match when I got the mean back air gimp off on you, yo, with Kirby. And I knew that got recorded because I was like, yo, this has to be recorded.
It was? I don't remember that. You know how long ago that was?
Wow!
Oh, what the? Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
It's wolves, man.
Stop spamming.
Not spamming.
If you are spamming down smash.
I used to be a good cardio, not anymore.
Shit. That was supposed to be an up. Just got FD'd.
Eats mice.
Oh yeah, man, I hate Lucario because like I used to play, but I don't know the range myself, and I was getting beat up by Lucario, but then I just switched to Fox and won. Cause like my Charizard was doing okay. It's just that Lucario has his range. I don't know.
No, his hitboxes.
Yeah, it's his up smash. Oh my god! Starts from like the back of his foot and lasts mad long. I was like, stop.
No! Come on! Cheap little wolf.
Oh!
Shot that next one.
Look at the wolf acrobatics. Woo.
Stop that. I can't even go after that like you.
Wow, that was almost epic. Oh, that was epic. Just an epic fail. I'm dead. What? Oh, Nana took the hit! Nana took the hit.